The fuck? Oh, it's that chick from earlier.
You came to vandalize my store, huh? Not on my watch!
Not to yell, I'm like right in front of you.
Hurt! That's just what this bitch said when she came to vandalize my store! I don't take kindly to vandalism. I won't allow it!
There's water guns on the side of that.
Me and listen good, partner. I don't allow vandalism in my store!
Oh, what the fuck? It starts me right here. Yeah, I'll just fucking jump on top. Oh, what the fuck? You have a shotgun? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, dick. Otis, now is not the time. Ah, you just turned and it fucked me up? Are you kidding me? You're vandalizing your own store at this point. Chill, chill, chill. No, fuck, let me up, let me up. Give me a can drink real quick, though. Put it away, come on. Bitch.
My store.
No way, if you just got fucking shredded with a chainsaw.
Door.
Be in pieces.
Who will run my store when I'm gone? My store. My food. My sales. My
Door.
customers.
You don't have any.
Have a nice day.
You have that shotgun, though?
Register 6.
Bitch.
Good.
Is there like a side door in here? Oh, no, to get to the back. Fuck. Hey, Otis. Oh my god, they actually back up? I remember if I could get or something I do. You just they fighting each other? Oh. Oh, I should probably help you. Come over here. Let's go. Quick, I need XP.
Thank you very much.
For what? The fuck over here. What? Go. Why are you fucking walking? All right, let's go. Wait. Fuck. Holy shit. It's a cowboy.
Name and rank, soldier.
What the fuck? Is this Clint Eastwood on steroids?
Tell me, can you, fella? Oh yeah, I know why. It's because you're Viet Cong. I'm right, aren't I? You are nothing but a filthy communist.
Yeah, Zelda Aspen.
You, son, are gonna tell me where the gorilla's hideout is. By the time I'm done beating information out of you, you are gonna be begging for death to come take you away.
Oh! You just start behind me?
I'll gouge out your eyeballs.
Please don't. Hit me in the back, bitch. No, hit me in the back this time. Those fucking super cheese. God damn it. Get up! Get up. What did you just stab? Where'd he go? Where is he? Is that a grenade? Where are all of you getting these fucking grenades from? Maybe I can... Oh, I can actually aim it. Didn't know that. Go Cliff. Were you at Cliff? Alright, that's not gonna work. Neither is that. Need to actually face him if I'm doing this. Easy.
You.
Oh, you had hair.
Here. Take this.
Is that a mousetrap?
My granddaughter.
She was like the kid from Home
By those
Alone.
Damn zombies.
Why are you telling me all this? I'll take the machete. You just want a gun at me? Alright, sorry, coward man, you got to wait.
Fantastic.
Hell yeah. Y'all can drop now. Fuck.
Damn it.
Alright, let's go. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Yeah.
You good?
Nice.
Wait, do I... Oh, fuck. Do I save them? I'm running out of time. Kind of fucked up because some of these guys aren't even trying to attack me. You have a bomb. You had a bomb.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go, Jennifer. Please. I don't want to hold your hand. Let's go. Gordon, what the fuck are you doing? Gordon, please. I don't have time for this. You're a lost cause. What the? Is this a boss fight?
Here. Looks like you lured another man in here, you little whore. No.
You're like a fat Lois from Family Guy.
Please. Help me. Let's see just how shameless you are, you dirty little skank. Say hello to my little friend. No, not again. Help me.
Officer. Officer, can I talk to you for a minute? I mean, look, what did that woman do? This seems a little,
Shut your pie hole. If you
Bro, I got a chainsaw.
try to interfere with official police business, start with you before I get to her.
Alright, this shit's gonna be easy. Oh, my bad. Did you just tase me? What the fuck? Let me get up. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I can't get up. Why are you so fast for being fat? Apple. Oh, I have an apple. Oh, that's gonna fucking hurt. Oh, shit. Gotta fade out the taser. Give me that. Give me the taser. Why did I roll in the corner? I'm fucked. Walk away. Just walk away. You have a gun? Fucking suck with it. Alright, you're hitting everything. The fuck was that? That was the weirdest way to die I've ever seen. I'm sorry I beat you with my chainsaw a lot at the beginning.
Thanks.
are you all right?
You aren't gonna
Thanks.
last the way back though. Half health, and I only have an apple for myself, you know. Apple. I'll give you his taser though. Fuck away from me.
Nice.
Here, take the fucking. Alright, well, my bad.
Are you all right?
Apparently, you don't want the taser.
Very much.
I didn't want the
Are you
taser,
all
but still.
right?
Thank you very much.
Fucking
Thanks.
apple. What happened? Stop shoving each other. Ow. Have another smoothie? I think I do. And got fucked up again. God damn it. You know what? It's worth it. Motherfucker. Oh my, how the fuck? How did I not hit you that time? Go. Finally. Good thing we're next to a pharmacy.
Wait, I've got to talk to you.
Bro, you would have been out for way
Listen to
longer
me,
than
I'm
that.
not here to hurt you. I just want to talk. Now, what do you know about all this anyway?
Are you a reporter? Let go.
You can ask nicely.
I won't run, so let go. You're hurting me.
Now I'm hurting you, not when I hit you with the chainsaw like 4 times.
Looks like 72 yards. I can blow his head off clean from here.
I'd rather you
Can I
didn't.
take a shot, Dad?
Getting a headshot from here's no big deal, Jack. Think you can pull it off, Thomas?
But Daddy, he ain't no zombie. He's just a man.
Thomas! We're doing this to survive. You know that.
Using a firearm for self-defense is our God-given right as Americans, Thomas.
Come on, Thomas, shoot.
Please don't shoot me, Thomas.
Shoot him, Thomas!
Said shoot him. Thomas. Now! What are you waiting for? Do it!
Damn it, Thomas. Way to fucking fall to peer pressure. I feel like I shouldn't help you just yet. And I should try to not die. I'll come back for you, though. I'll take that. Alright, Thomas. This is your chance to live. Don't fuck it up. Oh, you fucked it up. You fucked it up. That was it. Psychopath. He was like the most tame one. Give me this fucking katana. Alright. So he was outside of Movie Land when he was doing his crazy shit with the followers there. So I wonder if I go in Movie Land if he'll be in there. I have time to kill at the moment. Oh shit. Gotta be something in here, right? There's nothing in here nothing to do. Nope, wrong one. It's gonna be this one. What the fuck is this? What the fuck are you doing? Fuck away from me. I don't want that. Can I take that? I'd like kill him or kill everyone in here or some shit. I could the other ones didn't even turn around. No. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck off me. Go away. Go away. That works. Oh wait, it fucking still did damage to me? That's bullshit.